Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video after a long time. Uh, let's start it. Let's get started. Today we will discuss about the Canva pricing plans. Canva is a free tool, has and and there is a three categories here that you can see. Canva is free, Canva Pro, and Canva for Teams. So the majority of the work, if you were a solo freelancer or a student or trying to learn Canva, then Canva is you can use free one without having taking any care or any problem of you are thinking about to buy any software. But Canva is free, so that's why you not have to think about the pricing. Okay, you can use without pay any amount. So and these are the feature list. A lot of features in the free one, and in pro one the feature there's more features. Cloud storage is 1 TB, and other a lot of other functions, or you can have features in the pro version. And the team version is like the pro and the team version differentiate. Like the pro is for one person, and the teams you can use up to 5 people. If you are agency owner, or if you are freelancer and you have a team, or you have a project, and for that project your team are working on that project, you can you can easily you can go for the team. And this pricing here is for the yearly. Okay, next convert into monthly. This is a yearly plan, and 16% off in that. But this is a monthly plan, and monthly is around 6.49 dollar for pro, and $8.49 for the Canva for teams. Okay, if you are solo freelancer and you are starting your career, or you are trying to learning, and then to be a freelancer, then free is enough for you. Then after, if you have a lot of works, if you're a freelancer and you're getting a lot of works of the clients, and you are earning you are earning good amount, then should invest into buying the Canva Pro, because it allows you to have a more assets, you can say more features in that. You can read this in detail, and that's why Canva Pro is like reinvest in your business or in your freelancing career. It is the right option if you are earning uh, heavy, if you're earning good amount. So then if you are then move into agency model, if you are freelancer or team, then you definitely want to invest into the Canva team. Okay, so this is all the it's all about the pricing for the Canva. So hope so you will understand. And yeah, so the software, for example, the Adobe software, probably they cost around about the $20 probably one software. Okay, Adobe, you can say a one software. And if you are use the Photoshop and Illustrator, then it's usually cost, I think, around about $40 to maybe $50. So they are expensive software in that regard, but they has their pros and cons. But Canva also has pros and cons. So these are softwares varying depending upon your. In the previous video, I explained in detail, trying to explain. I tried to explain in detail what is the key benefits or features in these softwares. Okay, hope so you like this video, and this is, I think, enough for today. And inshallah we will do more and more depth videos about the Canva and pen in general, other tools, as well as about the freelancing and all of that thing. And also for my personal branding, for that inshallah I will make videos regarding the, for example, if I want to personal branding my services, as I am a graphic designer. So that I will do personal branding according to, if I want to hunt the clients of particular niche, then probably I will make content related to that niche for my personal branding as well, along with the knowledge which is sharing. And this knowledge is for the people who don't know about Canva, or trying to be do freelancing, or trying to learn the Canva. Okay, they may be anyone in the world. They may be a teacher, student, business owner, whatever. So that's why I'm keep inshallah creating, pumping the content as much as I can, because it is allows me to share the knowledge that I have in, and also in creating my personal brand, or my personal branding of my services. Because in this world of the modern era, if you are not doing your personal branding, you will not survive. I think you will not survive as a long run, because it is the freelancing platforms has their own pros and cons. And personal branding has their probably more pros and less cons, probably, maybe. But if you are not on the social media, then I think you are not on the business anymore. You can take example of the major brands, the major brand, the biggest brand in the world. They have a social media following. Even the Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, probably second richest man, he has his own personal brand, and you can go to the Twitter and check their following, 150 plus million follower. Okay, so this is the importance of personal branding. If you are, it doesn't matter you are a graphic designer or whatever your niche is, but you have to create your social media accounts, or to create content regarding what you are doing, who you are, to and introduce yourself to the whole world. In result, that your credibility your credibility will be established in particular field of whatever you are doing. So if you're a teacher, pump out your content, create your content about teaching. Okay, and this is a personal branding is a very important subject. Inshallah, we will cover in detail in the future. If I will I will get a time, or some maybe in the future, probably. So about the personal branding in detail. So hope so. So this is enough for today. Take care. I love you.